Hey, I thought I'd do a quick video in response to Jason of All Trades YouTube channel. If you haven't seen his channel, you should definitely go check it out. He made a running belt a while ago, and I've been thinking about remaking my original version, and I've come up with something different that I want to show you. So this was the original I made. This was made back in 2022, and it's pretty small. It holds a soft flask, and I use this kind of thread system on top with a Siberian clip, and unfortunately this just doesn't work all that well. Once the bottle starts getting empty, this bottle either wants to work its way out or it works its way down, and it just gets frustrating wearing it. So this pocket here is fine for short outings. It's got a little sleeve in there for a separator. Having VX21 as the main shell means that it doesn't really breathe all that well. Short runs and things like that, it's fine, works okay, but I wanted to improve upon it. So here's what I came up with. When I was thinking about the design of this, I was kind of looking at the Solomon trail running backpacks, how they have a lot of stretch material, and I thought about what would it look like if they made just a running belt, and this is what I came up with. So again, it's spacer mesh on bottom, and it's got a number of pockets. I'll talk about this big pocket here in a second. For the water bottle pocket, same type of thing, it's got a sleeve, but I really emphasized holding this bottle in here, whether it was full or starting to get empty. So there's a cover for the mouth guard, and then there's a typical lanyard here that goes around the rim of the bottle. And then the bottle stays in here really, really well. One thing to note about both of these is that they're designed to where you drink with the bottle in the belt. You don't try to take this bottle out. So I just take the whole belt off. I drink from it when I want to, and I put it all back on. I find that these soft flasks are just a royal pain getting in and out of these sleeves, and it's just not worth the effort. On the other side here, there's a fully stretch pocket that I can keep my phone, my sunglasses, and some snacks in. This is all stretchy material. Obviously the zipper doesn't stretch, but the whole rest of the pocket does. And then as you come around to the front of the bag, it's got this envelope pocket. Again, all stretch materials. And this is where I keep chapstick and wrappers or small snacks. This outside pocket is all Lycra Mesh. And I put a snap there just to help hold it. But when you're wearing this is all tight, and it's great for stuffing your jacket into. I really like this. It worked out really well. And on this other side was a great place just to kind of stash a bandana. On the underside, it is spacer mesh. Because all this material is breathable, it's very, very comfortable. And I didn't feel like I was sweating any more wearing this than if I wasn't wearing it. For the closure, I'll probably end up changing this. I used the 1.5 inch quick release here. This was all kind of an afterthought, to be honest. I may style this more off of backpack waistbands where they have dual tensioners, so you can kind of control the tension around the top part of your waist or around the bottom. Also, if you notice, I got new labels in. These are fully woven labels, and they're reversible. So you can either have it say respect the defects, or you can reverse it and have the MYOG logo, both readable from the outside.